Okay, so now we have division with coefficients. Alright, so notice all of these also. If you look at each one, the bases are the same. So, for example, number 1, the base here is x. You got x to the third, x to the second power. Alright, so for division, remember for division, we are subtracting exponents that have the same base. So for the x, the base, okay, we're going to do 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Alright, so 3, we got that from 3 minus 2. All right, and then for the coefficients, we're going to divide the coefficients. It's a division problem, so we're going to divide those regular numbers. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So your simplified answer is 4x to the 1. You'll usually see that though just as 4x. Okay, 4x and 4x to the 1, same thing. All right, let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, we have m to the 6 and m. Okay, so we're dividing, so we have m, same base. So that m that does not have an exponent has an exponent of 1. So when we're dividing, we're going to subtract the exponents. That's going to be a 6 minus 1, and 6 minus 1, your exponent in your answer is going to be a 5. All right, notice for the coefficient, there's only a 4 in the numerator, right? This is 4 divided by 1. Okay, so 4 divided by 1 is 4. You can also think of it as just bringing that 4 coefficient down into your answer. So your simplified answer is 4m to the 5th power. All right, let's do a few more. Okay, number 2, if you realize that this is something divided by itself, anything divided by itself is going to be 1. Okay, so 2x divided by 2x, our answer should end up being 1. So let's go ahead and apply properties of exponents. Okay, so I have a 1 exponent here and a 1 exponent here. So for the x, 1 minus 1, that's going to be 0. That's a 0 exponent. And then for the coefficients, I have a 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is 1 times x to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is really 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is just 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. Okay. Let's go ahead and do number 9. Alright, so for number 9, I have x to the 4, x to the 3. So for the x, I'm going to do 4 minus 3 for its exponent. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. 8 divided by 8, the coefficients, I'm just going to divide those. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So you got 1x to the 1 power, or that's just x. Okay. You can just write x, same thing as 1x to the 1 power. Alright, last one. Let's look at number 10. So for the x, those are the same bases. I have a 12 minus 7 for the exponents. 12 minus 7 is 5. And then I have a 16 divided by 8 for the coefficients. That's 2. 2x to the 5th power.